What is up? Hope you all are having a beautiful Tuesday. I'm a little bit under the weather, let's say. I think this weather change is starting to get to me a little bit. But I'm not going to let that stop me. But still, fuck a Tuesday. Hate fucking Tuesdays. Still going to try to make it a good ass day, but it's so far from the weekend. And then I already finished Monday, so it's like not even cool anymore. So Tuesday's just a shitty ass day. Not gonna lie. Oh my fucking God. Alright. I'm back. Took those. Alright. Finish this, by the way. Whew. Alright, back to it. If anyone wants to know how I shot these bitches too, I'm gonna give y'all a little tip. Alright. Tilt that bitch where this is staying up. Get that bitch like this. Take this part of your finger. Rub that bitch on a little bit. Tilt it. Hand on top. Come on, come on. Not even a big mess. If this drink was the ocean, I was a duck. I'd swim to the bottom and drink myself up, but this drink's not the ocean and I'm not a duck, so let's drink this drink. Wish I could get fucked up. I got back by today. It'll be a great ass lift. Don't waste your Tuesday. Get a little bit better.